Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option indicator strategy special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for next update and next indicator, okay? And if you not join best binary broker account, best forex broker account, link in description box, simply click and sign up and start forex and binary trading, okay? And today I'll show you a free strategy, okay? This strategy is very good working for any broker, okay? In IQ option you just for indicator, okay? You can trade on Poket option and Quotex, okay? Okay, so here is a strategy. Strategy is a fractal source indicator, okay? Fractal source indicator. Setting is no setting is simply same to same, and Williams indicator, okay? Its setting is period is 6, lower line is -95, upper line is -10, okay? Then apply this indicator, okay? And what is a strategy? Strategy is when market touch the upper line, market should be go down, okay? And when market touch lower line, and market should be go up, okay? It's a simple strategy, okay? I place this trade because market touch the upper line, okay? And market go down, okay? For 1 minute, okay? And candle time frame has been 10 seconds, okay? Not 1 minute, is a 10 second, okay? For strategy is a very good strategy, is a 100% working, okay? Is a 80% winning ratio, okay?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.